even have a base, so...
I mean, technically, Omen Dragonite was supposed to be yours. Hello, everybody. My name is Quake and Bacon, and today we're going to be doing another epic Super King Beyblade Burst battle between Hero Samuraiser and Glide Ragnarok. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm joined here, by the way, I didn't mention it in the last video because I'm a bad person, but I'm joined by my friend, The True Anime Fan. Go check him out on YouTube, and Flash.
Unsubscribe. Unsubscribe to me.
Subscribe to both of them. First one to 15. I feel like Samuraiser is going to need a little... I feel like this will be good for Samuraiser. I think he's going to need a little therapy after last episode.
I think it'll get a clutch up this time. It'll get blocked off. Okay.
Oh,
what the heck?
Actual game.
It's not happening again.
No, it's not gonna lose the Rand No, man. Unacceptable.
Oh, that was close.
2-1.
That was close. That's 2-1. Thank you, DK.
You're welcome.
I'm stressing right now. Stressing.
Stop stressing. Don't pull a me. That's the last couple of days.
Take this.
That was perfectly timed.
I think that was just a KO. I think it burst into the pocket.
Yeah, this is a KO.
Yeah, it was a pocket KO.
So that's 3-1.
First.
He was put into the pocket.
Yes.
That was a bad launch, but whatever.
Launch it still went. Oh. There we go.
Samuraiser for you. I think I'm gonna have to.
We're doing better, man. You know what? We're doing better.
Okay.
We're doing better this time.
Okay. That's 4-1.
Space of greatness. Oh my god.
Okay. Easy, Samuraiser.
That was brutal. That was brutal.
6-1. Samuraiser's gonna do to Ragnarok what Helios did to Samuraiser.
Yeah. Samuraiser angry.
Oh my god.
6-2. Well, glad Ragnarok actually...
Does it have the 6 to come back from this one?
Thank you, DK. Ah!
Oh!
Dude, Ragnarok got that. That's 3-6.
Mr. today. But it doesn't have the 6 to 3 to come back from this.
The driver fell all the way over here. It's like in a new continent.
Revolve just traveled to a new dimension.
Oh, the camera fixed itself.
Good job, Cameron.
Good job, Cameron. I'm proud of you.
Exactly. It pulled the
We're all
time
proud of camera.
All right, 3-6. Good job, camera. Samuraiser, kill it.
Good job, camera.
No, it stopped again.
Get it, Samuraiser.
Oh!
It's dodging. It's deflecting. Cannot escape me. 7-3. Spartakios.
I couldn't see it, but I'll take your word for it.
It was a bad launch.
It's alright, DK.
Uh, 8-3.
Ah!
8-4.
Man! Oh,
Jesus.
That was a nice burst, but I'm kind of sad because I just spilled Cocoa Puffs all over my pants.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Specifically in the crotch area. Oh my god.
Crotch Cocoa Puffs?
Ah!
Yeah. 10-5!
Into my 3D public one time. was pretty bad.
That sounds like a really bad flavor variant of Cocoa Puffs. Try our new crotch Cocoa Puffs. I'm Cocoa for your crotch.
Cereal. It's got one of those.
Ah! 10 to 6.
I'm what? Okay, now it's
Oh,
3.
bad job, Cameron.
that was actual garbage of one. Alright.
Ow!
Oh
Samurai.
my god, another garbage lunch.
Now he's earning. Oh. Okay.
Ah! 10 to 7. Wow.
Alright, Samurai, don't do this.
No, Samuraiser.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
These bays can just take my shots. Ah!
Oh,
Why?
10 to 8. Samuraiser. No.
Dude,
Why are you letting
why
him
that
come back?
has some recoil.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
12 to 8.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Get it, Samuraiser. Destroy it.
Get it, Samurai. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No.
Special move.
Oh! Oh! You're
Nice.
14.
Oh my god.
14 to 8. Last second. Dude, Samuraiser has to fight so hard to beat these things.
But we never
Behold! A terrible launch.
But why? Quake, stop with the garbage launcher.
It's not my fault.
Man, leave the
Agree!
He's trying his best to get it.
Oh!
Where did it go?
Right.
Freaking amazing burst.
Bro,
Went straight up.
just... Oh my god. And oh my god.
Dude, it literally just went
He literally...
straight up.
It's gone.
What?
I found the disc. But the rest of it's
It's
gone.
like
Where'd it go?
traveled into a new dimension.
Bro, can we just talk about how I basically saw the whole entire video in slow motion?
We're not gonna talk about that, man.
Yeah. Also, he literally just bears forehead flick. Just like in
I'm
Spider-
doing a
Dude,
Cocoa Puffs.
It's gone. I don't know where the layer went.
Bro, he hide him. He obliterated him from existence.
Okay.
Actually just disappeared.
Thank you, everybody, for watching.
No,
This has been Samuraiser vs. Glide Ragnarok, the new Super King
Yeah.
Spocking layer system. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.